I've read every case where a woman went to get needle and syringe, pricked herself, started withdrawing blood, and then spraying it all around the test strip. No, you don't have to do that. What you need is your urine, this cup, and the test strip. Before I go to the steps, let me quickly give a brief overview of what we're trying to do. When a woman gets pregnant, the body starts producing human chorionic gonadotropin, which is popularly or commonly called the pregnancy hormone. This is what this test strip detects in your urine, and it takes about 2 weeks for the hormone to be detected in your urine. The test can be done at any time of the day, but preferably your first morning urine. Now back to the steps. Urinate in a clean, dry cup or container, just like this. And get your test strip ready. Make sure you hold the test strip at this colored area. Avoid touching this part of the test strip, just to avoid any form of contamination. Take note of this mark on this test strip. When you're dipping your test strip into the urine, make sure the level of the urine doesn't pass this mark. Now you take your test strip, hold it vertically, and gently dip into your urine for about 15 seconds, like this. You will notice the level of the urine is not going beyond that max point I showed you. Now bring out the test strip and gently place it on the container like this. Leave for about 3 to 5 minutes while the reading is being monitored. Now let us check our results. If you look at this test result, you notice there is just one line. This first line very close to the painted area is the line for the control test. If it shows double line, that is this control test line and then another line just below the control test line, that indicates a positive result. That is, there's presence of the pregnancy hormone in the urine, which may indicate pregnancy. But if all you have is just this control test line up here, that's just one single line, it indicates negative. That is, there may be no pregnancy. If you're confused with reading any of these results, you can always talk to your doctor for proper guidance. Note that this test strip will only work when you follow the instructions appropriately.